So in this video, you'll learn how to install Snapchat on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to installing Snapchat is to simply go ahead and choose where you're going to install it from, whether it's from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. Once you've made your choice, you then want to use the search function and you want to type in the word Snapchat and then search. You should see it appearing in the list of search results, so tap on it to select it, then tap on install and wait for it to be downloaded onto your tablet. Once it's been installed on your tablet, you should see the option open, so you can use it to launch the app, or you can go ahead and open the apps drawer on your tablet, look for the app from there and tap on it to launch it. From here, you can now just go ahead and set it up while in portrait mode on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.